that's 11 o'clock, a travel restriction for all roads, state roads, local roads, city roads, town roads, except for emergency personnel.
I am gonna shovel somebody's snow. I don't know whose. Maybe yours.
Well, yeah, it's very long.
Crazy.
It's not so fun. A little crazy, but I'm used to this. This is New York.
Yeah, you don't want to travel on a day like today.
Got some vegetables, chicken for sure, pasta and tomato sauce, tonic to go with my gin, and lots of fruit and extra eggs, and that's about it.
But yeah, I think the whole thing, I think it's rather interesting. Like, people are like really buying, like, you know, like it's only a 2-day store. I'm like, do people go to the store that much anyway?
Like, we're probably just gonna go back to our apartment and get baked, watch movies all night.